Hi all, I'm Harshita. Hope you are doing well. Today we are doing a recipe on samosa. So let's get into the ingredients. To prepare the outer part of the samosa, here are the ingredients. So I have taken approximately 250 grams of maida, that is 2 cups of maida, along with some salt to taste and half a teaspoon of ajwain and 4 teaspoons of hot oil that gives the crunchiness to the samosa outer crust, and some water to prepare the dough. For the stuffing, here are the ingredients. I have taken around 3 boiled alus, some coriander and mint leaves which gives a good flavor, along with 4 to 5 chopped green chilies and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic chopped well, grated ginger, 1 big chopped onion and a half a lemon. And some of the dry spices which I am using are jeera of half a teaspoon, crushed coriander of half a teaspoon, red chili powder of half a teaspoon, turmeric powder of 1/8 teaspoon, and garam masala powder of 1/4 teaspoon, chaat masala of 1/4 teaspoon, and salt to taste. For the preparation of dough, to the maida, I'll be adding ajwain, some salt to taste, and mix it well. So now adding the hot oil and mix it well too. For the preparation of dough, I am taking some water. Add water little by little so that the stuffed dough is being formed. Now that the dough is ready, I am taking a semi-wet cloth, closing it out, leave it for around 30 minutes. For the stuffing, the first process is to mash the potatoes. Let's get started with the potato stuffing. The first step, I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm adding some cumin seeds. Fry it well. Now that the jeera is fried well, adding some green chilies to it. Add the chopped garlic cloves and the grated ginger. Now adding the chopped onions. Adding the crushed coriander seeds. It's recommended to add this before adding of the onions. Sorry, I missed it. So I'm just frying it at one side of the container. Now that the onion is fried well, I'm going to add turmeric powder and also the red chili powder. Fry it for around 2 minutes. Now I'm adding the garam masala powder. Adding the mashed potato. Adding some salt to taste. Mix all these well so that the masala gets into the aloo well. Now I'm adding some mint leaves. Mint leaves gives a very great flavor. So it's better that we add it and not keep it optional. Now that I've switched off the flame, adding some chaat masala. I'm also adding some lemon. Now, as the final step, I'll just be garnishing it with some coriander leaves. I'll be taking out the dough which we have prepared. Knead it well so that if there are any bubbles are there, that will be removed and it forms a soft dough. This process of kneading is must. So once this is done, I'll be dividing the dough into 4 parts. Now I'll be taking one part of the dough, knead it well, roll the dough into an oval shape. Now that you can see that I've rolled the dough into an oval shape, I'll be cutting it into 2 parts. I'll be adding some water. I have to form this into a cone shape. Ensure you press these edges well so that when you are deep frying it, it doesn't come out. Now adding the stuffing. Moistening the edges, just give a smaller twist here. Try to pull these and press all these edges well. The edges are ready. Here's our samosa. Now here are the samosas prepared. So I'm going to deep fry this in the oil. Now in a medium flame, we need to fry the samosas until it is golden brown. Ensure that you cook the samosa in a medium flame. Samosa cooking is all about patience, so it takes a longer time. Keep flipping the samosa so that it doesn't get cooked only on the one side. It does cook on all the sides. Now you can see that the samosas are into a golden brown color, so it's ready to be served. So I'll just take it out from the oil. So here's the samosa ready to be served. For my family, I've done some green chutneys to be enjoying with the samosa. You can also enjoy it with some tomato ketchup. But I do like to enjoy samosa with a cup of tea. So here's the cup of tea which I've done for myself. For the support of our channel, please do like and subscribe, and if you like our video, please do share it with your friends. You can also let me know in the comment section like what all recipes you would like to. There is a lot of surprises which we have planned to put it up in our channel. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching our video.